Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the solid-state drive 2280, loosen the 8 captive screws on the base cover and pry the cover off the system. Identify the solid-state drive and unlatch it. Remove the screw securing the drive and lift the drive out of the system. To reinstall the solid-state drive 2280, place it back in the system and secure it with the screw. Relatch the drive to the system. Place the base cover back on the system and tighten the 8 screws. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.